Greetings. Welcome to week 4 of Biology, Environmental Studies, Geography 330, Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, at AusAbel Institute. Joseph Kursky here, your instructor. This week's theme, surveys, stories, and spatial analysis. Surveys, stories, and spatial analysis. It's going to be great. Our readings and videos will focus on the following: 5 converging global trends that act to shape geographic information systems: geo-awareness, geo-enablement, geotechnologies in the cloud, citizen science, storytelling. We'll also talk about location privacy. Remember, geographic information systems, they're intertwined with our movements. So they touch on lots of societal issues, including location privacy. We'll talk about topology and why that's important. We'll talk about spatial analysis and actually use some spatial analysis tools, but I'm getting ahead of myself a bit. We'll talk about the fact that maps are more than reference documents, and spatial analysis is key to GIS. We'll define what spatial analysis is, and we'll talk about spatial statistics a bit. We'll examine some additional maps and apps and additional base maps. Now, in our hands-on activity, which I hope you're getting into, mapping it's so visual that you really need to do it in order to appreciate it and to gain confidence that you can do this in the future after our course ends. We'll talk about citizen science and fieldwork, creating a field survey using Survey 123. We'll talk about creating a field survey itself, finalizing that survey, analyzing the survey results. We'll talk about fitness apps and location privacy. We'll talk about a gigapixel image and the implications there. We'll create a story map, a multimedia web map. We'll explore the Story Maps gallery. You'll create your own story map about trees. You'll enhance that story map. You'll save it. You'll share it. We'll talk about copyright. We'll dig deeper with it. And we're going to use a spatial analysis tool called Trace Downstream, having to do with watersheds and river systems. We're going to analyze an invasive species, zebra mussels in this case. We're going to extend that spatial analysis set of activities, and we're going to use mean geographic center and standard deviational ellipse as 2 of our analysis tools. We'll also calculate field values, and we'll create a story map of our research results. Maps in the cloud. Good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Oh, I digress. We'll see you in week 4. Thanks.